Welcome to the third video on how to navigate design studios. In this video, we will be finishing our kitchen by adding in countertops, molding, and toe kicks. Design Studio has a tool to help us generate these features. To access this tool, go to the Advanced Tools section and select Kitchen and Bath. Then, on the second toolbar, look for the hammer icon where the generation tools are located. First, let's generate our countertops. When you select a tool, the system will automatically choose the appropriate surfaces. In this case, when we select the countertop tool, it will select all the tops of the base cabinets. To select specific cabinets, click on a cabinet to start. Then hold Shift to select additional cabinets. If you want to select everything without closing and reopening the tool, you can click on the square icon with a plus sign to select all eligible surfaces for the countertop. By default, the system picks all base cabinets to generate countertops. Now, to generate the countertops, you need to select a front edge shape and a material. The backsplash and milling profile are optional. Go ahead and choose those options, and if your cabinets are attached to a wall, enable the backsplash. Once you've made your selections, click Generate. The system will take a few seconds to generate the countertops. When the process is complete, click Finish to exit the tool. With our countertops fully generated, let's move on to the toe kicks. Similar to the countertop tool, when you select the toe kick generation tool, the system will automatically select the lower areas of the base and tall cabinets. Or you can also select the cabinets yourself. To generate the toe kick, select the style, shape, and the material. Then click Generate. Once it has been generated, you can look underneath the cabinets to see the newly generated toe kick. You will notice that the toe kick will stop at a side panel or wall. In the cases where there is no side panel, the toe kick will return to the wall. Before we generate the molding, let's oversize our tall cabinet side panels to give it a more sleek design when applying the molding to it. Just like we did with the wall cabinet, we will add 3 extra inches to the height. To select both of the panels, click on one, and while holding Shift, click on the other. This is how you can select multiple objects at once. Then the window to the right will reference both of the selected panels. Then we will add 3 inches to their height. This will stop the molding from generating to the back of the tall cabinet. Now let's add the molding for our wall and tall cabinets. The process is very similar to the toe kick generation. Select the molding generation tool to start the process. The system will automatically select the wall and tall cabinets for molding. Choose a style, shape, and material for the molding. Then click Generate. The system will take a few seconds to generate the molding. When completed, click Finish to exit the tool. Now our kitchen is almost complete. Next, we'll add a waterfall edge to our countertop. But before we add a waterfall edge to our island, let's remove one of the side panels of the island since it will no longer be needed. Now go back to the countertop generation tool and then click the cube icon to generate a waterfall edge. From there, select the edge you want the waterfall to be generated on. Then, when you have selected your edge, a mini hammer icon tool will appear. Click on that to generate your waterfall edge. When you've finished, click Complete so that the system can overlay this edge to be a waterfall edge. Finally, click Generate to generate the waterfall edge. When finished, click on Finish to exit the tool. Now we will generate a high-quality image of our finished kitchen. Just like in video 1, to generate an image, go to Images and Video. But this time, we will generate a 360-degree image, so you have to select 360-degree walkthrough at the top of the menu. Now choose an anchor point by moving your camera to a spot in the scene that captures the entire kitchen. Then, once you have a spot, select a resolution and lighting setting. We recommend ambient lights with indoor daytime and automatic brightness. When finished, click Generate. The photo will be saved to the gallery. In conclusion, of navigating Design Studio to finish your kitchen design involves several key steps. We've covered how to efficiently generate countertops, toe kicks, and moldings using the advanced feature tools. Additionally, we walked through the process of adding a waterfall edge to your countertops. Lastly, we explored how to create a high-quality 360-degree room image to share with your clients. By following these steps, you can ensure a professional and polished kitchen design ready for presentation. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it informative and helpful.